So to make it easier to install your roof window in your Riga XL greenhouse, use white lithium grease to grease the channel, that top channel on the roof window. We use WD-40 white lithium grease. And then it works best for the Riga XL if you have at least a 10-foot ladder so you can get a better angle. Otherwise, it can be more difficult. It's also best to do these at the beginning of the day rather than at the end of the day after you're tired from the build. So hold it up at an angle which nearly matches the curve. And he's sliding it in to the channel, the C channel at the top ridge of the greenhouse.
What do you mean?
And you slide it in. Since you're sliding in from one end to the windows which are further down, it's helpful to have someone inside the greenhouse grabbing the window. So if you're pushing it in and you find that it's not quite in, then you gotta start fresh.
Up, down, up, down.
It can also be helpful to experiment with your placement of the ladder so that you're on the opposite side of the window and able to hold it with two hands. And then have another person on the inside of the greenhouse sliding it down to where it needs to go. And it is in place and hinged.